Difference between dieting and fasting. Dieting and fasting are both practices related to food intake and health, but they differ in purpose, approach, and duration. Dieting involves following a specific eating plan to achieve goals like weight loss, muscle gain, or better health. It usually includes controlled portions, balanced nutrients, and regular meal times. Diets can vary, some focus on low carbs, others on high protein, or plant-based eating. Dieting is often a long-term lifestyle change aimed at improving nutrition, managing health conditions, or maintaining a healthy weight. Fasting, on the other hand, means voluntarily not eating for a certain period. It can be done for religious, spiritual, or health reasons. Popular forms include intermittent fasting, where eating is limited to specific hours of the day, and extended fasting, which may last for 24 hours or more. Fasting focuses on when you eat, not necessarily what you eat. In summary, dieting is about managing what and how much you eat regularly, while fasting is about when you eat by choosing periods to avoid food entirely. Both can be used for health and weight goals but follow different methods. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.